Nakabenta ki khubor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamta kasngi. Ke election commission ke jelam men ka south rik ukla lincoln kala pelong ye ka jing ye kendolang ya kilat pathai khubor ha office trei kam deputy commissioner chillong. Ha ka jing pen sngo jong ki bor election ba kilat pathai khubor ki debanya trailang bar katnat election commission ha ki babon ki liang. Ki bor penyat election ki kerpat ikilat pathai khubor kenthop it print but electronic channel shaban penmi kinu ki jingtho ne banyo advertisement habyo jingbit na ka election commission. Ha ka baka election commission kalabu ya ka MC bandan ka jingpet perman ya ki khubor bar ki jingtho balada don ki bapenkhen kingat ha ka jingpen shitam. Ha ka bala ru banyo I ya ki jingtho bala ai de ki sengsan perthai labu ha ki jaka pat ba khlam da yo jingbet na ki to ki badai khmi kala banong ka basniu. Layo iru bah ki jaka balong try de ka sarkar labu ya ki jingtho kum ki plank bat ki wei ki balong persha ki an jagatnat penyat election. Ka jingbu ya ki jingtho ka long ka babe an khlam ka jingbet na ki bor penyat district kum ka deputy commissioner election East Khas Hill district bar ki wei pat kitnat sarkar. Kumta habaya dei bar ka ne la batha shabaro ki sengsan perthai ba ki pan jingbet ling ba ki jingtho haswa ba kinbu ya ki nu ki jingtho ba ya dei bar ki kam party bar kin weng no ru ya ki ni ki jingtho ba ki wa hadin ba ka program kala dem. Ka jingbot renti ya ki jingbatha jong katnat election dei ban pentikna karkum ka hukum jong ka office na ka por sha ka por.
A warm welcome to all the media who are here to listen to a little bit of briefing regarding, the procedures of elections. As you all know, elections are coming up, so we need to give you a little bit of advisory regarding all the advertisements, paid news, because we want a free and fair election. Okay. So in the DEO office, we have this MCMC committee, which is the Media Monitoring Committee, which is led by the District Election Officer. And we have members from the Superintendent of Police. We also have some journalists and representatives from DDK Shillong and representatives from All India Radio Shillong. So today actually we just want to meet here so that we can give you a little advisory regarding the coming up of the elections, regarding all those things I've said before. With me I have Ms. Saloni Verma, who is IAS Assistant Commissioner, who will give you a little briefing, a little PowerPoint presentation. Okay?
So the simple difference that the Press Council of India gives is that news usually carries a credit line with it. A byline is also seen in a news piece, and it has a typeface that is different from that of an advertisement. So anything which disguises itself as news but is not really news would be considered as paid news. This is a little bit of history about political parties and how they came to a consensus about why paid news should be regulated. So why paid news is a problem? I think as members of the media, as responsible members of the media, it's important that we ensure that we give correct information to people, that people are not misled, because elections, which are the tenet of our democracy, rely on people exercising the right to vote in a fair and free manner. And I think the media is supremely crucial for that. So they can influence voters and have an undue influence actually. And it can also circumvent the elections expenditure laws. Basically, the fairness of an election gets compromised because of paid news.
We will continue to work and play positive roles in ensuring the conduct of a free and fair elections. Actually, we are having this meeting today. It's not just a briefing. It's not just a briefing. It's also a get to know you better, because we are in the process of preparing for the coming elections. We are in the process of preparing the coming elections. So actually, this is an opportunity maybe we will not be able to meet again. We have here the office of the DO, the ADC concerned, and the assistant commissioner who represents the DO. So we have, if you have any issue you can bring it up here regarding the upcoming elections.